Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2017 Dodge Journey SXT all-wheel drive, stock number B9143P. 35,000 miles on this Journey, comes to us with a clean auto check history report, granite pearl in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection. Give you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, along with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. This Journey seats 7, cloth interior, rear heat and air controls to make sure everyone's comfortable. Rear seats fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 2. Additional underfloor storage with removable bins for easy cleaning. Rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility. 50/50 split folding rear seat. Folds flat easily, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This SXT has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, touchscreen display for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. 3-zone temperature control, driver, passenger, and rear heat and air. Heating and air conditioning. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones, automatic transmission with manual shift capability, and lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials. Under the hood, this Journey is a 3.6-liter V6, 283 horsepower. Just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for an all-wheel drive crossover. EPA average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 24 on the highway, and approximately 60% of tire tread left. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboganAuto.com or text SCB9143P to 662.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboganAutos.com.